decent sized planting hole dug out here for a lovely daylily. Now it's important to dig decent sized planting holes. Look at the size of the pot and look at the size of the planting hole. You need plenty of loose soil, compost and fertilizer around for the plant to run its roots out. Don't just dig a hole the size of the pot and push the plant in. They won't do well at all that way. This is a lovely one of these new varieties of Hemerocallis. Is a variety called Clarion Red. It flowers in summer and early autumn. It's winter hardy and comes back year after year. Height realistically is going to be about roughly 50 centimeters high by about the same across, and months of flower colour. So at the bottom of our decent sized planting hole, a couple of handfuls of Super Tri planting fertilizer. That's gone in there at the bottom. It'll be slowly raised for the plant. It'll help to reduce transplant shock and settle in this lovely daylily very well. Have a look in the web shop. There are a whole range of colours and daylilies, and all these new varieties are fantastic. A little bit of swell compost, mix the soil there over the Super Tri planting fertilizer. That's all essential when you're planting if you want success in your garden. So out he comes out of his pot. Now roots are well tightened there. We'll just give them a little teasing out. In it goes, and just in the same depth as the surrounding soil, and a little bit of swell compost and soil mixed back in around. Be quite happy here for years and years to come. And then after a few years we can lift this clump in the winter time, split it up, and we'll have more plants of this lovely daylily to spread through the garden. So a little firming in like that, and he's settled in here for years and years to come. So that's a daylily called Clarion Red. We'll feed it regularly with Flower Max to get the most from it. Height about that by that. We're looking forward to that. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.